A rare opportunity to become a co-owner of EvoScent, a small company with a big future. The main reason behind the implementation of the new economic evolution of the world is to create new companies that would give value to society and to bring them together into one ecosystem. Members of our community are not only customers and consumers of products and services of these companies, but they also have the opportunity to become their co-owners and share in the profits. And right now, you can take part in the birth and development of a new promising project. The new EvoScent program was recently launched, a young project created in collaboration between Evorich and renowned Spanish perfumer Ramon Bejar. The main product and pride of the company is the magical collection of fragrances called The Highest. The goal of the EvoScent program is to launch its own production of exclusive fragrances in different regions of the world and become the #1 brand in the luxury perfumery niche. Can you already feel the magnitude of this project? Do you want to be a part of it and light up a new superstar in the perfume industry and participate in the creation of a unicorn company? Today, you still have such an opportunity. You can join right now and get all the benefits. A unique chance to start your own great business in multi-level crowdinvesting, MLCI. Realize your most ambitious dreams in the next 6 to 18 months. Achieve the highest statuses and receive expensive gifts from the Evorich company during the next year. Start using beautiful niche perfumes from the presentation set The Highest, represented by 8 unsurpassed fragrances. Choose the fragrance from the presentation set that you like the most and make a pre-order for this prestigious exclusive perfume in a 75 ml bottle. As a bonus, get the best training programs and video courses in the field of MLCI business from Evorich, financial literacy and investing courses from the Academy of a Private Investor, and training in perfumery from the EvoScent Perfume Academy, and get an exclusive offer, EvoScent Points, offering a wide range of opportunities. Thousands of people have already supported this project and are realizing their goals. What about you? Follow the link in the description and become a member of the EvoScent program right now, in order not to regret the missed opportunities in the future.